the age-old myth that renting is throwing money away. It's a notion that's been drilled into our heads for generations, leaving many folks feeling like they're somehow less financially savvy if they choose to rent instead of buy. But let me tell you something, dear viewer, it's time to debunk this myth once and for all and show you that renting can actually be a smart financial move, depending on your circumstances. Sure, buying a home has long been touted as the ultimate symbol of financial success, the American dream, if you will. And while there are certainly benefits to home ownership, it's not always the right choice for everyone. Let's break it down, shall we? First things first, let's talk about the costs associated with buying a home. Sure, you've got your mortgage payment, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's also property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance and repairs, closing costs, and let's not forget about the hefty down payment you'll need to fork over upfront. Suddenly, the dream home doesn't seem quite so dreamy, does it? On the other hand, renting offers a level of flexibility and freedom that buying simply can't match. You're not tied down to a specific location or property, which means you can easily pick up and move if your circumstances change. Plus, if something breaks or needs repairs, you're not on the hook for the bill. That's the landlord's problem, not yours. But wait, there's more. Renting also allows you to invest your money elsewhere, whether it's in the stock market, starting a business, or simply padding your savings account for a rainy day. And let's not forget about the opportunity cost of tying up a big chunk of your savings in a down payment. That money could be earning returns elsewhere instead of sitting dormant in your home equity. And let's not forget about the hidden costs of home ownership. You know, those pesky little expenses that pop up when you least expect them, like a leaky roof, a busted water heater, or a termite infestation. Suddenly, that great deal on a house doesn't seem so great anymore, does it? So there you have it, folks. The next time someone tells you that renting is throwing money away, tell them to think again. Renting can be a smart financial move, depending on your circumstances and priorities. It's not about throwing money away, it's about making the best decision for your financial future.